If you're thinking about moving to the Myrtle Beach area, building a home, renovating a property, buying, selling, or just creating a better lifestyle near the beach, then you're in the right place.
I'm Frank, and together with my wife, Tiffany, we are realtors, home builders, and renovation specialists here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We help people buy and sell real estate, build custom homes, renovate properties, and invest along the Grand Strand.
One of the biggest mistakes that people make when moving or investing here is treating real estate, building, and renovations just like they're all separate things. But the truth is they're all connected. So where you buy affects what you should build. What you buy affects whether you should renovate.
And all of it affects your long-term investment and your lifestyle.
On this channel, we talk about all of it.
We cover Myrtle Beach real estate, the best neighborhoods, affordable homes, beachfront properties, and investment opportunities.
We show custom builds, renovation projects, and behind the scenes of what it actually costs to build or remodel near the coast.
And we also talk about lifestyle, living near the beach, cost of living, food, health, travel, and building a life you actually enjoy.
So if you're new to the channel, here's where you should start.
First, watch our videos about the best areas and neighborhoods in Myrtle Beach.
Then watch our affordable homes and cost of living videos.
After that, check out our building and renovation videos so you understand what it really costs to build or remodel here.
Our goal is simple. We want to help you make smart decisions, avoid expensive mistakes, and create a life here that you're excited about.
So, if you're thinking about moving to Myrtle Beach, buying or selling a home, building a house, renovating a property, or investing in real estate, make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out our videos.
And when you're ready to make a move, reach out to us. We'd love to help you do it the right way.